Today's news reading by 8th class. Today's important: World Food Day, World Anesthesia Day, World Spine Day. International news: Afghanistan agrees to ceasefire after Pakistan's request. India elected to UN Human Rights Council for 7th term for 2026-2028. Sri Lanka Prime Minister Harini Amarasinghe will arrive in New Delhi for 3-day official visit. International Monetary Fund (IMF) reportedly finalized 1.2 billion bailout deal with Pakistan. Madagascar President Andry Rajoelina has fled the country and dissolved parliament. Reports suggest second phase of Gaza fire deals focus shifts to continuing peace efforts. President Donald Trump announced that Russian comedians Sergei Ryzhikov and Alexei Zubrin conducted a spacewalk at the International Space Station on October 16. Asia Pacific Biosphere Reserves convened for the 5th World Congress, the 2025 International Mayors Forum, October 14-6 continues in Japan with a focus on sustainable urban development. National news: 61 senior Naxal activists surrendered in the presence of Chief Minister Fadnavis in Gadchirli, Maharashtra. The Supreme Court of India has reformed that citizen digital data cannot be accessed without due process of law. The Supreme Court has upheld the right of Permanent Commission for Women in all defense departments. The Supreme Court has allowed the sale of certified green crackers in Delhi NCR. India's first hydrogen-powered train will be flagged off by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Varanasi. ISRO has confirmed that its next lunar mission, Chandrayaan-4, is scheduled to launch in December 2025. The Election Commission had said that voters with visual impairments will be provided ballot papers and voter slips in Braille and the Bihar Assembly elections by 2040, and ISRO Chairman V. Narayana said that the aim is to send astronauts. State news: Prime Minister Modi to inaugurate development projects worth Rs 13,000 crores in Kurnool today. Electricity utility employees across Andhra Pradesh have begun an independent strike from October 15. The Prime Minister will lay the foundation stone of Drone City today. The state government has decided to promote tongue cultivation in drought-hit hilly areas. The Central Electricity Regulatory Commission (CERS) has approved 2,800 crores green energy corridor in Andhra Pradesh. Andhra biotric camps for school students to be held from October 23 to October 30. Sports news: Ahmedabad in Gujarat to host 2030 Commonwealth Games selected. Bengal Warriors defeated Telugu Titans in the Pro Kabaddi League match held yesterday. Weather news: the Meteorological Center has said that there is a possibility of scattered rains in the state in the next 24 hours. Today's good verb: he who runs away from difficulties will never succeed in life. Health tips: chewing a few basil leaves daily reduces respiratory problems and increases immunity. Today's GK question: which vitamin helps in blood clotting? I repeated it. Which vitamin helps in blood clotting? The answer is vitamin K. Thank you.